Hey guys, welcome back with another amazing project that has a name Waterfall Farm. In this video, I'm going to share amazing review on Basing project where the registration will give you $4 worth of the game gems to play this game to get experience on the Waterfall Farm. In this video, I am going to share and explore all the details about it. As if you are new user on welfare packages, then you will get more reward and more prizes on Waterfall Farm. So this is the introduction about this game that I want to give you because I am also playing this game, so I will suggest that you should also play this game and upgrade your account to get more VIP that will give you $5 reward directly. You can contact their customer service support. Next thing is about their gameplay, like Waterfall Farm, where you can see this is the home interface where you can get the web download page, Android, iOS version of the gameplay that you can play in your devices. This is also you can say the opening of the marketplace, exchanges rate and rate curve with crops that you can cultivate on it to get more profit when these will be grown. Then you can also successful sell into the market on the prices what you want. So next thing is about their trade now, like you can start trading on it. If you have the product, then you can use it. And the next thing is about like on which website or devices you can play this game. You can download on web, you can play in your Android, you can play this game in your iOS successful. And you can also scan this QR code to download this application. And the next thing is about us the game, as this is based on the gaming platform that will give you another type of the experience. And you can also see some frequently asked question, what is Waterfall Farm game? This is a metaverse farming manner simulator that is open to player across the globe, like how to join and why you have to upgrade. All the detail about the cottage has been shared with you. So let's start and play this game. First of all, you have to click on the play now button. Here you can put your email successfully. So friend, when you will put your email and verification code that you will save on your email that you have put down while creating your account, then you have to click on the sign up or register. Now your account will be successful sign in. So I sign in and then I click on it, next one. So next thing is about like sign in has been successful, now done. And now we go back to our gameplay by clicking on the web button. And now you can see this is the logo of the gameplay. Next I will click on it and then you can see this is now loading phase and the interface of the gameplay will be open soon. So this is our profile that I have created already. So welcome back. This is our profile interface. When I click on this start button, then you can see that this is the island where you can start cropping, and you can also see this is the island where you can open the land to harvest. So now you can also open it. Here you can see all these details about the lands. Now when I click on the recharge button to show you that how to recharge on this place, you have to click on the plus sign, and this is the using TRC20 BP20. Whatever you have asset, you can send on it using this address. You can also see this is also QR code that you can scan to recharge your account successful. And this is also giving you some description, copy address of the wallet, scan QR code, you can successfully recharge. Now you can also, this is the shells, like you can choose. Here you have to put the amount that you want to exchange into shells. So I click on it and it will be successfully exchanged now. So and next thing is about the opening of the land to harvest the plant. So I click on it and now you can see that our first land has been opened. Now I click on the second one to by completing 20,000 gems. So I drag the blueberry seed to plant here. Now I opened the second for 20,000 gems and it has been also opened. And when I click on it, then you can see here is some other type of piece that we can open it. So for which I convert my shells into gems. So I click on it and then I click on the gems button. It has been exchanged successful. Now you can see that this is our VIP one opening the third land. So I click on it and now you can see that it has been successfully opened. And next you have to explore. You can drag the seed what you want to plant on this web, on these sites or lands. Some other features that I want to show you, that what you will find in your ID profile. This is your ID. You can also see this here you will find your invitation code. And the next thing is about their task, that Mono Pro Gamers are marketplace that you can open. Like this is the premium land that we have opened now. You can click on the open claim. It will be successfully done. Now you can also claim the second to open, and if you want to share this platform with your friend to get more audience on it, then you can also see that you will find a great reward on it. So you can, once you will open it, then you will get the prizes. Next thing is about the marketplace, like where you can visit for selling, buying the product that you want to buy or sell, these seeds and much more information on it. And you can also buy some seeds on the number of gems. It will depend on. You can also open the pet what you want in your you can say that this is the need. So I get once here. So before that we want to open our ranch. So this is also having a ranch. So I click on it and then I click on the next one. Here you can see that our ranch has been opened now successful. Here you can also see, if you want to drag it out, then some shells coin will be needed to provide it. Next thing is about some upcoming features. This is your pack where you can get the product of the seeds that you want to sell in your market. And the next thing is about their performance, or you can invite your friend on it, and successful you can say that these will be your subordinate that you will give to profit. And the next one is about some other tasks that you have to complete it. So get on daily checking reward. First recharge you will get the bonus according to consumption of your you can say these are the claims reward that you can do on the daily basis. And the next something about event in which you can get the golden rabbit double gift, and you can get the 1% of the rebate income. So next thing about the roulette winner turntable when your recharge will be completed. If you want to take your withdrawal, then you have to click on the withdrawal button. You can put your withdrawal address here. You can put the amount that you want to get on the your wallet address. Then you have to click on the submit. It will be done successful. So I hope that you have cleared how does it work. Now I want to share some details about their waterfall form. So this is the preface. This is the white paper where you can see about the company profile. Waterfall Farm is an innovative company that is based on the gaming, and this is the niche. You can see this is the team introduction, that how much they have experience and the company history when it has been started. Now still how much they have done their work plan and what are the future plan. You can see successful here all these top of details. So I hope that you have cleared all these things, and you can find some amazing feature about the game descriptions. So you have to explore some details on it. And if you have any question or query, you can ask in our comment box. You can also find what is the market analysis, what when the market will be trend to the rich possibilities. So I hope here is a California Secretary state of the you can say this is the license that they are doing a legit business with the data protection, privacy, policy, transparent ecosystem. So you can also get all these type of details on here. You can contact their team if you are new or if you have any question curious. So I hope that you have cleared. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.
Welfare package. Register to receive game gems worth $4. Upgrade to VIP and get a $5 reward directly. And you can new user welfare package. Use it. Use this upgrade to VIP and get a $5 reward directly. Register to receive game gems. Game gems worth $4. New user welfare package.